It's been sitting in that barn for 10 years, dear.
I promise I'll bring it back to life.
It's so good to see you.
You too. Thank you for having me.
Of course. Come on in.
I brought the papers.
Such a lovely day for a walk.
It is. I love it here.
This was my son's dream car. He loved it more than anything. It's been waiting here for 10 years since he passed. It's been sitting untouched for years, as you can see.
Incredible. Why is it in this condition? Just the way it was left.
There we are. She's all yours now.
Looks good from here.
Be careful with it.
All secure. She's not going anywhere. Easy now, keep it straight. Got it. All right, stop, that's good. 10 years of neglect, but this Pagani is still a masterpiece. Yeah, the structure's solid. We can definitely bring her back. Looks like mice turned this $1 million engine into their apartment. Clean it up carefully. We can't risk damaging anything. These tires are rock hard and cracked. Driving on them would be suicide. All right, bringing the first one over. Got it. Aligning the rear. I'll guide it in. Suspension and bushings look solid. Exhaust is clear, no leaks. Brake line's intact. All checks pass. Seat weight compensated. You can remove the last bolts safely. Perfect. Hold it steady. We're saving this interior one piece at a time. All right, sliding it in. Guide the rails. Got it. Lining up now. Perfect. Lock it down. "10 years in a barn, and now she drives out like a brand new Pagani." Let's show Grandma what her son's car looks like today. I've worked this pump for 20 years, never thought I'd fuel a Pagani here. It sat in a barn for a decade, now it's finally back on the road where it belongs.
When our boy bought this car, he said it would outrun time. I thought time had beaten it.
You proved me wrong, sons. We'll miss the met with you.